Hello everyone, I am Anshika Chaurasia from class 8A standard in MCA Public School. Today my topic is Mahatma Gandhi and the Freedom Movement. Mahatma Gandhi emerged as the most respected leader of the Indian freedom movement. Born on 2 October in 1869 in Gujarat, Porbandar, Gandhi went to Britain to get a degree in law. Then he went to South Africa to practice law. From 1893 to 1914, he involved himself in the struggle of racism in South Africa. Then he involved a technique of protest called Satyagraha, which was based on truth and non-violence. He said that non-violence is not a weapon for the weak and cowardly. Only the brave and the strong can practice it. Then he returned in India in 1915 at the age of 46. He spent her entire year at he spent his entire year all over traveling the India and understand the people and their needs. Gandhi gave the three special movement, that is, first is non-cooperation, second is civil disobedience, and third is Quiet India movement. Firstly, we know about what is non-cooperation movement. In 1942, Gandhi declared that he lead a movement of non-cooperation if Khilafat issue was not resolved to the satisfaction of the Indian Muslim. Then he said that then our topic is civil disobedience. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the civil disobedience launched on 12 March in 1930. With 78 followers, Gandhi walked nearly 375 kilometers from the Sabarmati Ashram to the Dandi March with the sea coast of Gujarat. Then the third is Quiet India movement. Gandhi along with other Congress leaders launched a movement asking with the British to quiet India altogether. A meeting of All India Congress Committee was held in Bombay on 8 August in 1942, where the Quiet India resolution was passed. Thank you. Have a nice day.